What's going on, everybody? This your boy Israel from Mr. Tech Review. I went to Best Buy today, got some goodies, man. I wanted to share with y'all. I'm gonna unbox them. Um, First off, y'all know I love Macs, so I went to Best Buy. Let's see, I got the HD TV, so I wanted to connect my MacBook to my TV. So I went out and got a mini display port to DVI, and I'm gonna open that up and let y'all see what that look like or whatnot. Got a bunch of goodies. Let's see. Just this coming casing with some instructions in different languages. Don't need that, but pretty standard and straightforward, man. If you've seen the mini DVI, the VGA, you've seen all the other adapters. You've seen this one. Okay, I'm gonna sit this one off to the side and go to the next. I had to get an extender, and the extender I got was dvi to HDMI. I mean HDMI. My bad. Let's go ahead and crack this bubble open. But before I do that, it's made by Dynex. 6 feet long. Yeah. Getting the seals in there. Crack this bubble open. Yeah. Y'all just bear with me. Okay. Crack open the box. Let y'all see what it looks like. Pretty standard cardboard box. That's the case. Take this on out. Didn't come with any instructions because it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, dvi-d to HDMI, perfect for HD TVs. I know what a lot of y'all Mac users thinking, like, okay, if he do that to HDMI, he's not gonna have any sound, right? I got something to fix that. I also went and got a mini stereo audio cable to run from my MacBook to the back of my TV, so it won't be mono. Because you know when you hook a HDMI, card up to the your HD TV, sound comes out mono or no sound. So I bought this so that I can get stereo sound. Just like the last packaging, pretty straightforward. No paperwork. No paperwork or whatever. So but yeah, I can't wait to hook this up and get this up and going, man. But yeah, Mr. Tech Review. Thank y'all for watching. The next video I'm gonna hook it up and let y'all see what it look like see what the MacBook look like on the HD TV. Should come out 1080p. But until next time, y'all take it easy.